Respect nature. How do we do that? Think about the long term. Do as nature does. Look at the bigger picture. Everything comes and goes around and around in circles. Think circular. Efficiency should not just be economic, but also ecological. It's time for engineers to put clean technology first. All other technology has to go. Over. Done. At Jaga, we use as few raw materials as possible. All parts of our products are recyclable. The choice for sustainability is no longer optional. Take the most ecological route for the smallest possible footprint. Respect nature.